Although diamond and precious metal price swings have stabilized in the past few months, U.S. consumer price inflation for jewelry continues to increase. For February, the CPI jumped 6%, but the index was just a couple of points lower than the all-time high we set in January. Higher rough diamond prices boosted gem diamond sales 49% to $396 million in 2011. Profit tripled to $68 million. The mining firm said rough prices surged in the first half of last year, then fell 30% in the third quarter, but ended the year up about 16% on average. They expect price volatility to continue for now. Tiffany's fourth quarter, which included Christmas season, saw revenue up 8%, or about the rate of jewelry inflation during the period. Same-store sales worldwide rose the same amount. Net earnings, though, fell 2% to $178 million. The retailer experienced very strong growth in Asia-Pacific and in Japan, with just low single-digit growth in the Americas and in Europe. The company plans to increase inventory 15% this year and add 24 new stores. Blue Nile selected a new CEO to fill the vacancy left by Diane Irvine in November. The online retailer appointed Harvey Cantor to take the reins on March 30th. He joins Blue Nile after serving as president of Moose Jaw Mountaineering. He has also served as a managing director for craft retailer Michaels. Botswana's Diamond Technology Park is expanding as the country prepares for rough diamond trading later this year. The park's what we'll call bourse building is well on track for completion in May. Our Avi Krawitz caught up with Rutang Moses, the CEO of the Diamond Technology Park, on these developments.
Phase 1 of the Diamond Technology Park, as you may be aware, is fully let, and we attract diamond manufacturers, diamond mines, courier companies, banks, brokers, and we've got the Botswana police and our security in place. Therefore, in terms of moving on, we have started the development of phase 2 of the Diamond Technology Park, which is going to be a diamond trading platform. The development of phase 2 commenced last year, September in 2011, and is expected to be completed in May 2012. From 1st of June, we expect to have occupation of the new building. The new building, in terms of the bourse building, is a 3-story building. The ground floor is the trading platform, which will include 12 viewing rooms and the services for the viewing rooms for the tender activities to take place. The second floor will be office space, and the first floor will also be office space. Our short-term vision is to provide a state-of-the-art high-security tender house, the bourse building that we discussed. Our medium-term vision is to attract local African producers, international diamond producers to market additional diamond in Botswana at the bourse building. In terms of long-term, our vision is to establish a high-rise building to accommodate the envisaged expansion of Botswana as a worldwide diamond center for downstream activities.
As a reminder, rough diamond importers and exporters in the U.S. must file their annual trade report with the Office of the Special Advisor for Conflict Diamonds by April 2nd. As always, dealers must state total carats of rough imports and exports and the total in stockpile at the end of the year. Time now to check on how precious metals prices fared this past week. For all the latest industry news, do be sure to check diamonds.net and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.